In the storied land of the Whispering Woods, where the trees sway to the rhythm of the wind, an unlikely friendship blossomed beneath the shimmering night sky. Fum's heart, though vast, had room for one true curiosity: the stars above. One chilly evening, as Fum ambled to his favorite spot by the babbling brook, he found he was not alone. There, nestled amidst the soft grass, was Nia, a sprightly young rabbit with ears tall enough to catch snippets of the night songs. "What brings you here under such a sky, little one?" Fum asked, his voice a deep rumble. With eyes wide in wonder and excitement, Nia replied, "Oh, Fum, I've come to watch the stars dance in the night." The old elephant let out a gentle, rumbling chuckle, a sound much like the distant thunder. "Stars, you say, dancing? That's something only a heart like yours might see." Nia hopped closer, her bright eyes reflecting the celestial tapestry above. "But can't you hear the music they play? It's in the whispers of the breeze, the rustling leaves. It's everywhere, Fum." Intrigued, Fum closed his eyes and listened. Though an elephant's hearing is sharp, it wasn't until this moment that Fum chose to open his heart to the sounds Nia heard. The gentle night seemed to chime, each star twinkling in a rhythm all of its own. Moved by the shared magic of this cosmic tune, Fum swayed, lifting his trunk to trace the starry patterns. Nia, with her nimble feet, joined in beside him, lost in their dance beneath the sparkling dome. Together they united in a rare and joyous celebration of the universe's hidden symphony. Each movement was a silent testament to their newfound companionship and the wonder the cosmos revealed when two spirits looked skyward with a shared dream. So, under the night sky, an elephant and a rabbit found more than just stars. They found friendship, the most cherished dance of all, carried by the wind across the Whispering Woods, warming the soul anew each evening henceforth.